Imagine gliding down an empty boulevard at dusk. The soft hum beneath your feet isn't a growl, it's a whisper. That's the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre, the marque's first fully electric car, redefining what ultra-luxury feels like in the EV age. When you approach the Spectre, the presence is unmistakable. It carries that classic Rolls silhouette, stretched into a graceful fastback coupe that feels both grand and aerodynamic. The long hood, sweeping roofline, and gently sloping rear all speak to traditional coach building with a modern twist. Its wide grille commands attention, echoing heritage while hinting at future-forward intentions. The proportions are large, but it doesn't feel bloated. It exudes authority. Slide open those rear hinge doors, and you enter another world. The interior is pure Rolls-Royce, sumptuous leather, rich wood, and bespoke detailing everywhere. The starlight feature extends into the doors, with tiny LED lights that mimic a night sky swirling when the door closes. Everything is configurable. Materials, stitching, finishes fully tailored to the owner. From a tech standpoint, the Spectre doesn't skimp. It has a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless device charging, and USB ports. The bespoke sound system is refined and powerful, tuned to the silent serenity of an EV cabin. On the driver's side, there's a digital instrument panel, and optional extras include a 360-degree camera and head-up display. Underneath lies a serious EV powertrain, 2 electric motors, 1 on each axle, giving all-wheel drive. It produces around 577 horsepower and 664 pounds-ft of torque, enough to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.7 seconds. The 102 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery gives a driving range of 251 to 277 miles, depending on wheel size. DC fast charging adds roughly 120 miles in about 15 minutes. The Black Badge variant is a sportier version, with power up to 650 horsepower and torque of 793 pounds-ft. It's tuned for firmer response, suspension, steering, and launch feel more dynamic. Visually, it has darker accents and unique wheels. Despite weighing over 3 tons, adaptive suspension and sound-deadening material make the ride whisper quiet and smooth. Cabin noise is extremely low at cruising speeds. Safety features include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The Spectre is a 4-seater coupe. Rear seats are best for occasional passengers, but are beautifully trimmed. The trunk holds about 10 cubic feet. Warranty covers for years, with unlimited miles. Including maintenance.rolls-royce.yours, our catcher of luxury aluminum platform is adapted for EV, designed from the ground up to deliver a ride that maintains the brand's signature serenity. The attention to detail is remarkable, with LED star lighting, indoor panels, and highly customizable paint, trim, and finishes. Drawbacks include the high price and slightly slower charging compared to The Black Badge's larger wheels may reduce range slightly. This car is built for refinement over aggressive handling. It floats rather than carves corners. In summary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre EV is a bold statement. It's not just Rolls-Royce goes electric, it reimagines opulence for the EV era. Immense power is wrapped in serenity. Modern tech meets warm craftsmanship. For those who can afford it, it's not just transportation, it's a moving work of art. A sanctuary on wheels, a whispering spirit.